If you're driving along the Oregon coast, there's one stop that's probably already on your list, Tillamook. And honestly, even if you're not a huge fan of cheese, the Tillamook Creamery is worth stopping by. We decided to make a quick visit during our Oregon trip, and this place was a lot more than just a factory store. The Tillamook Creamery has been making cheese for generations, and today you can come here to learn more about how it's made, grab some food, shop for your favorite Tillamook product, and of course, end your visit with some ice cream. One of the main highlights of the visit is getting a look inside the cheese making process. You can walk through the visitor area and watch the production floor as cheese moves through different stages before eventually making its way to the stores. And after learning how the cheese is made, naturally we had to try some. You'll find everything from cheesy classics to sandwiches and other comfort food. So come hungry because there's a good chance you'll want to try more. But for me, no visit to Tillamook would be complete without ice cream. We grabbed the ice cream flight, and honestly, this was probably my favorite part of the stop. What I also love is that the visit doesn't take an entire day. You can easily spend a couple of hours here, making it a perfect stop if you're exploring the Oregon coast. So whether you're here for the cheese, the food, the ice cream, or simply looking up for a fun stop on your road trip, Tillamook is definitely worth adding to your itinerary. Do like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more such recommendations. And if you're continuing your Oregon coast adventure, make sure to stick around because there's plenty more to explore nearby. Here are top 3 spots that you can visit near Tillamook Creamery.